Client accounts helps you keep track of unpaid sales to clients, as well as prepayments, even payments made in advance for future services. Now, in your client contact information at the bottom, we have a new account section which summarizes total unpaid sales and total credits that's been applied. How do you record unpaid sales in the point of sale? All you got to do is just not assign any payment type. When you don't assign any payment type, the actual bill comes up in red to show that it's not fully paid. So that's all you got to do for unpaid sales. So going back to the contact. Now when a client makes a payment towards the unpaid sales or prepayment on your bank statement, you click on credit top-up payment and select your date of your bank statement, the operator that's processing the statement, click on Pay Plus. In this case we'll go internet, and the internet was for say $200. So we will save that payment. Comes up as a transaction, and if you made a mistake you can always click this X and delete and start again if you need to. Now what we're going to do is assign that payment of $200 to some of the unpaid sales by clicking on allocate credit. It'll list all the unpaid sales, so we will assign say $100 for that one. And in this case, when you're typing the amounts, it'll only allow you to go to the maximum of what it is, but we're just going to put $50 for this one here. Click on save, and it will show you the two transactions applied to those two receipts. And these are debit instructions, and a credit is a credit top-up, cross as well to delete. The dates are hyperlink, so if you click on the actual hyperlink, it will open up the actual docket in the point of sale, and on the point of sale it will show you that the payment comes up as account payment, and that account payment is applied from what we've done through here. Okay, now if you're looking at the point of sale and this amount up on top appears in black, means they have prepayment credit amount, and you need to apply that sum of that amount to the actual sale. You just select account payment in there and assign a certain amount that you need to apply, and it's the same thing what we're doing it through the actual account section, how that is processed through there. Now there's another way you can process payments that the clients make by clicking on the actual client name if you're within the point of sale, and you can go to the bottom. It's the same thing here, and by clicking on either credit at top up, whatever payment type, and allocate credit, so you can do it through. It's another way of doing that. Close that, and now we'll go back to the contacts. The other thing that you need to do on a regular basis is send statements, and this is the email statement button. This button is specifically to send one email statement to this client. It will send that statement out, but to do bulk email statements out, you go to the main page, select receivables, show you all the receivables. You can multi-select under more email statements, and that will do a bulk send to all clients that have been selected with email addresses. Now on the actual email that it sends out in the settings, there is a section on the point of sale which has footer notes, and you can apply payment instructions, bank account details, etc. for that, as well as the information that goes out on the statements is your business information address. That's new fields in the settings. So under the business information you have now physical address which you can enter, and that will appear on the actual account statement as well via email. Okay, so that's your statement part. Now there's a new report as well called client receivables under revenue reports, and this client receivables reports will, when you view it, will show you a summary of all the clients that have outstanding amounts to pay, or if there is a negative. See, this is your credit total, which is credit sitting in the system that hasn't been yet applied to sales for the client. So it shows you by 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, etc., and a total amount on the end. So you can print out this report at any time showing you the outstanding information of your receivable for clients. So I hope you enjoy that, and good luck with your account receivables. With love and happiness.